next video. Today is live. This is the hack or the myth of what's inside of an enderman head.
Guys,
Guys,
can I show you something?
That's a rare spawn.
Guys,
What's inside this enderman head?
guys, can I show you something?
Last time we played this
I have a square head, guys. I have a square head.
Yeah.
I have a square head. I have a square head.
Is it inside an enderman head? Well, what? Bro, this is cool.
Yeah.
But how do I get out of this head?
Yes.
I didn't know endermans didn't have brains, right?
Let's change us to survival, okay? Let's come over here.
Well, an enderman does not have brains. Huh?
Why are you breaking it?
I can destroy an enderman head.
Guys, I have 2 square heads.
I'm flying. Wait, this is another bit. The end dimension is circular.
I'm just wondering, was it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday, Saturday?
Guys,
Tuesday,
this
Wednesday,
is
Thursday,
good.
Friday,
Yeah, we finally found out.
What?
SpongeBob is alive.
Wait, I never seen this. This is an end dimension thing.
But actually, that's what